The project is to consider how the study of development of two villages in southwest China can bridge the gap that frequently exists between research on urban and rural studies. In this, it also compares the sustainability codes for urban and rural areas in Yunnan province to help identify missing and conflicting aspects if the sustainability codes were to be used for a mixed urban and rural area. Yunnan is located in a region where 25 minority ethnic groups live in relative proximity. Many villages in the region engaged in low-input agriculture in rocky mountainous areas, which led to rural poverty. The first case study is Haiyan village. Haiyan means banquet by the sea, which evolved from its history as an official location for providing banquet by the lake for local events. Apart from agriculture, villagers made a living from fishing, and the village used to be a busy port for salt trade. Despite agriculture remaining as an important resource of income for villagers, it only counted for about 50% income. Villagers now plant vegetables and flowers to supply the needs of the urban center. The established feng shui location and landscape attracted outside investment for various development projects. The second case study is Damoyu village. It is where Minyan Yi ethnic people live. The village was set up in the 18th century. Damoyu means black bamboo forest in the Yi language. It is located next to a national forest park and a large water reservoir. Despite agriculture remaining as an important source of income, it only counted for about 18% of income in this village. Since 2010, the village has gone through fundamental changes from a village based on agriculture to a village with 1/5 of residents coming from nearby cities. It has increasingly become a popular place for city dwellers to rent and renovate properties as their second homes. Table 1 demonstrates that assessment categories that are considered for rural settlements are not specifically included for those in the urban areas. The research carried out in the village case studies reveal that despite intentions to develop urban and rural villages in more sustainable ways, there was a lack of formal procedures to be applied to provide guidelines or to evaluate outcomes. The study has established that sustainable assessment criteria should include more considerations with regard to communities with dual urban and rural characters. This can be observed in Table 2, which summarized the key aspects. The research of urban villages highlighted that rather than disappearing, the urban and rural boundary now overlaps in different aspects. As a result, the authors suggested to set up urban and rural transition areas as an independent category in the application of sustainability assessment methods.